Dermabrasion is a technique developed by Body Health to replace conventional mesotherapy. It is based on the generation of modulated current of an algorithm created by Body Health, controlled by a microprocessor.
Dermabrasion combines electroporation and electrophoresis. In this way, the active substances penetrate the skin and are absorbed deeply, achieving amazing results. It is a non-invasive, fast, safe, and highly effective therapy to treat cellulite, localized adiposity, flabbiness, stretch marks, and wrinkles. It is applied by means of the following applicators: Roll 1 for the face and Roll 5 for the body. They are used to introduce the active substances in each treatment. Such applicators are made of high-quality surgical stainless steel, and they ensure a hygienic, safe application.
Let's see how a dermabrasion session is applied.
The sessions must be carried out in a room or beauty salon booth of 2 by 3 meters at least. The place must be quiet and well ventilated. If possible, it should be air-conditioned or properly heated. Dim light is ideal.
The session will be carried out in silence so that the patient can relax and the therapist can work efficiently.
The stretcher is placed in such a way that the operator can work on a single side. The patient lies down in a comfortable position on the stretcher. The therapist stands next to the stretcher. She must be on her feet, semi-flex her knees, contract her abdomen, and relax her arms and shoulders. It is advisable to place the equipment behind the therapist in a diagonal position.
Now, let's see how to prepare the skin for treatment.
Before starting the dermabrasion session, cleanse, exfoliate, and disinfect with a solution with 70% of alcohol the area to be treated so that substances can penetrate the skin easily. The active substances will be selected by the therapist according to the treatment applied. How to insert the active substance into the applicator. Select the corresponding applicator, Roll 5 for the body or Roll 1 for the face. To open the applicator, unscrew the external washer. Remove the head with the tank. Introduce the active substance into the tank. Inside the applicator, there is a space with a capacity of 11 cubic centimeters where the active substance is introduced. Such active substance must be viscous, not completely liquid, to avoid leaks.
Now, we are ready to start the application.
Regarding facial applications, it is advisable to start with a 15-minute session. The power will be adjusted according to the patient's sensitivity. It is advisable to spread some gel on the area to be treated in order to lessen sensitivity, since applying the head directly on the skin may cause an unpleasant sensation. Start at a low level, 40%, to check how sensitive the patient's skin is and increase the power gradually, bearing in mind the patient's maximum tolerance.
Remember to follow the instructions in the manual that corresponds to the equipment that is being used, so as to program the machine correctly.
In order to apply the dermabrasion therapy correctly, slide the head horizontally and vertically, covering all the area, applying small circular movements. Make sure the small balls of the applicator and a part of the edge of the applicator are in perfect contact with the skin. The application is completely painless and the sensation is very pleasant. As for corporal applications, it is advisable to select an area and start with a 30-minute session. The application must last 1 minute per each 10 square centimeter. Repeat the procedure used for the facial application. Slide the applicator along the skin, applying small circular movements. Make sure the Roll 5 head is in perfect contact with the skin. Once the session is over, use cotton or a piece of gauze to remove any surplus of active substance. It is recommended not to exercise or to have a shower during the next 4 hours.
In this way, the dermabrasion session comes to an end. I am sure that if you follow the instructions step by step, the treatment will be a success.